You now pick your judge from the board.
You picked Judge Miss Monica Valle.
Good evening, candidate 1. Lakan number 1, I should say. Are you ready? Here's your question. Which do you think is more effective? Being a good speaker or being a good listener? I'll repeat. Which do you think is more effective? Being a good speaker or being a good listener?
For me, being a good listener is more effective. As a Lakan Bimingal, having a good speaking is given. But before I should speak, I should first listen. I should listen more to the endeavors and the concerns of Amingganians. And because of that, I can be their voice. And as their voice, I can be the one of the face of the Lakan Bimingal 2024. Thank you and good night.
Ang listener ng Lakan Bimingal.
Sir Dino Dolente.
Hello, candidate number Lakan number 4. Here's your question. What skill do you want to possess in the future? Let me say it again. What skill do you want to possess in the future?
Good evening, everyone. I do believe that learning is a continuous progress. Just like what Leonardo da Vinci said, learning never exhausts the mind. For me, the skills that I want to learn in the near future is to become more flexible. As a future crown of Miss Lakan Bimingal 2024, if I have the ability to adapt, I think I can fulfill the responsibility of being a Mingal. That would be all. Thank you.
Number 5. How are you?
Feeling good.
Here's my question. If you had one special power for a day, what would it be and why? If you had one special power for a day, what would it be and why?
Kung ako ay bibigyan ng isang kapangyarihan sa isang araw, ang gagawin ko po, ang mapipili ko po ay pagkakaroon ng kapangyarihan makapagpagaling. Dahil ang pagpapagaling ay isang malaking tulong kung sakaling may nasasaktan at mabawasan ang hirap sa nangangailangan. Yun lamang po. Magandang hapon evening lahat sa inyo. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Lakan number 6. Here's your question. Here's your question. What would best describe yourself? Sunrise or sunset? I repeat, what would best describe yourself? Sunrise or sunset?
I prefer to choose the sunrise because I have a lot of problems in life. But, tayo dapat magpapakalas ng mga problema natin. Dadating ang umaga at may bagong ngiti at bagong pag-asa. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, candidate number 7. Magandang gabi. Batiin mo muna yung mga supporters mo.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta.
Okay. Okay, your question is, some people laugh about gents who join pageants. What do you say to them? Okay, I'll repeat. Some people laugh about your gents who join pageants. What would you say to them? Okay, you can answer the question in Tagalog if you can. Okay?
Thank you po. What can I say about the people who laugh about joining pageants? Joining pageants is a big platform that we can showcase our ability. But not only that, just like Lakan to Umingan, showing and promoting our culture and our environment. And I believe that Lakan to Umingan is the right platform, showcasing
advocacy. Because I believe having an advocacy is a great power. And by advocacy, which is...
Thank you so much.
Good evening, candidate number 10.
Good evening din po.
This is your question. What would you advise to people who throw negative comments on social media? I repeat, what would you advise to people who throw negative comments on social media?
Thank you for your question. Good evening, Mingan. Social media is very powerful tool now wherein every one of us are using social media. My advice to those people who throw negative comments to social media is that let us use and utilize the power of social media in a positive way by being a responsible individual in using social media, by filtering out what we are saying and what we are posting online. Because you never know, some of your posts can be harmful for other mental health. That is why as a Lakante Umingan candidate, I am reminding one another to always think before you click. Thank you.
What one thing will you bring on a vacation? A cell phone or a companion? Again, what one thing will you bring on a vacation? A cell phone or a companion?
One thing that I choose to bring is a companion, which is to cherish yung every moment na kasama mo ang yung loved ones, relatives, or friends na madadala mo ang experience na ito sa panghabang buhay. And I do believe that naniniwala ako na ang experience, ang pinakamahalagang sandata mo. So,
Thank you. Lakan number 11, Gerald.
Lakan 12. Good evening. Here's your question. If you could visit other country, where would you go and why? Again, if you could visit other country, where would you go and why?
Thank you. As an agriculture student and an advocate in agriculture, the country that I would want to go is Japan, because I admire their technology in agriculture and I want to learn from them in order to help our farmers here in Umingan, but not only in Umingan but also in the Philippines, because I believe agriculture is one of the best and one of the most important things that we should improve. Thank you.
Thank you so much.